Yesterday marked a pivotal moment in our nation's history. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson will be sworn in later this year to become the first black woman to ever sit on the United States Supreme Court. In the words of an aspiring lawyer I spoke with, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson will forever be known as a trailblazer.
Being a lawyer is about being an advocate and being that voice for those whose voices are overlooked at times.
Frances Silne Ba dreamed of attending law school ever since she was a child.
When I went to college, I sort of gave up on that dream because I had some personal challenges.
Then came the pandemic and the deaths of Ahmaud Arbery, Breonna Taylor, and George Floyd.
That was when I really had this light bulb moment and realized I can really make a difference for people who have been, traditionally marginalized in our nation.
Her passion to pursue restorative justice was reignited, and now she's even more inspired to allow that drive to push her as far as it can go.
The Honorable Judge Jackson, she's a brilliant woman and she's black, and brilliant and black is not something a lot of people think belong in the same sentence.
The moment Frances learned Ketanji Brown Jackson was nominated for the U.S. Supreme Court is one she describes as being full of pride and joy. But she knows the path to success doesn't come easy, especially for people of color.
There is going to be a lot of resistance to these trailblazers, and in spite of that resistance, you have to show up and be your true, authentic self.
And that's exactly what she plans to do.
To me, it's really inspiring because it's like you can truly, trailblaze and do something new that hasn't been done before, and people cannot take that away from you, even though they might try very hard to do that.